The title is Effect Evaluation of College English Blended Teaching based on Factor Analysis and Association Rules. In order to effectively evaluate the effect of college English blended teaching and optimize the implementation effect of college English teaching, based on factor analysis and association rules, this paper proposed a study on the effect evaluation of college English blended teaching. Introduction. At the end of 1990s, foreign educational circles reflected on online learning and put forward the concept of blended learning, aiming at organically integrating traditional face-to-face teaching and online learning. In recent 10 years, mixed teaching has attracted wide attention at home and abroad. Blended teaching is also a hot spot in foreign language education research. Many educators have integrated the concept of blended teaching into college English teaching practice, focusing on blended curriculum design and development, blended learning strategies, blended teaching practice mode, and effectiveness research. The research on the evaluation of mixed teaching effect mostly reconstructs the evaluation mechanism of teaching quality from the aspects of teachers, students, and peers. The evaluation index system is constructed unilateral from classroom or online teaching, which lacks the analysis of teaching practice. And only a few studies pay attention to the evaluation of mixed teaching of individual courses, especially the evaluation of the effect of English audio, visual, and speaking mixed teaching. For the structure system of college English blended teaching, hybrid teaching is a combination of online and face-to-face. Compared with simple face-to-face or online learning, it not only reflects the different learning methods, but also reflects the different ideas. Teaching implementation is divided into face-to-face classroom teaching and online learning. In the classroom teaching part, teachers' main behaviors include stimulating students' learning motivation, elaborate the course content, and highlight the key and different points. Teachers and students interact and communicate to promote the construction of meaning. teachers reflect on classroom teaching. In online learning, teachers' main behaviors include providing resources. Internal factors refer to teachers' own factors, such as growth experience, learning experience, teaching experience, etc. External factors refer to macro, social, and cultural environment, such as economic development, foreign language education policies, etc. Situational factors mainly refer to the school environment in which teachers live, including school culture, teaching management, teaching resources, student sources, information technologies, etc. For evaluation index of blended teaching in college English, the comprehensiveness of the evaluation content requires that in the evaluation index, the investigation of knowledge points should be comprehensive, especially in the midterm and final examination, and the distribution of knowledge should be comprehensive, not just around a certain part. At the same time, for the situation of students' participation in the discussion, the changes of these indicators in 4 months were analyzed and compared, and the number of videos per person watched per month was taken as the number of preview times of students in mixed class and the number of preview times of students in traditional mixed class to conduct a different test. In the population of differences is normally distributed, then the sampling distribution is also normally distributed. For the realization of college English mixed teaching evaluation. Teaching evaluation is the process of studying the value of teachers' teaching and students' learning, which plays a positive role in improving the teaching effect. In order to effectively improve the teaching effect and promote the positive role of network classroom in higher education, a set of scientific assessment and evaluation system should be constructed in the mixed teaching mode. Hybrid teaching can be divided into network course learning and face-to-face interpretation, and practice of 2 phases aims to guide students to acquire knowledge actively and guide its applying theoretical knowledge to practice. Therefore, the hybrid teaching evaluation content mainly examine the degree of knowledge acquisition, students' ability of the application level, and the degree of practice of theoretical knowledge. Different from the traditional evaluation system, which focuses on basic theory and knowledge, the evaluation content of blended teaching is more comprehensive, including the evaluation of online course content, the specific performance of group cooperation, the attitude towards task activities, and the comprehensive ability performance of offline practice activities. Among them, individual performance, such as class participation attitude, positive or not, and completion of the comprehensive task in the network classroom, are the subjective motivation for the assessment of learning subjectives. Teaching evaluation is the most important link in teaching design, which emphasizes taking teaching target as the main reference object. The overall goal of teaching activities includes cognitive field, emotional field, and psychology field. In order to achieve the final goal of each field, it is necessary to set a series of goals from low to high. This model is based on Bloom's theory of categorical teaching objectives, which divide blended teaching objectives into three aspects: cognitive objectives, skill objectives, and affective objectives. In conclusion, hybrid teaching model applied to the English language teacher. Pay more attention to training students' language application ability, cooperation, explore, autonomous learning, and so on, the main kind of teaching methods, teachers as the guide and students as the main body. That's all. Thank you.